Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to log out of your Discord account from other devices using only your mobile phone. If you've logged into Discord on another device, like a friend's phone, a school computer, or an old laptop, you might be wondering, how can I make sure I'm logged out from that device? Good question, because staying logged in on unknown devices can risk your account's security. While Discord doesn't have a log out of all devices button like some apps, there's still a secure and effective way to force log out from other devices. Let's walk through how to do that from your phone. First, unlock your phone and launch the Discord app. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to secure. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will open the User Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you'll see Devices options. Tap on it. Here you will see your Discord account logged in on any device. If there is a suspicious device, it must be logged out immediately by clicking the X icon next to the device name. Before that, Discord will ask you to enter your current account password for security reasons. Then click Submit. Or, if you want to log out all accounts at once, click Log out all known devices at the bottom of the screen. After successfully logging out, I suggest you change the Discord account password to make it more secure. That's it. You've now protected your Discord account by logging out from everywhere else. I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.